Hail Mallrat Hobbyists, this is the OC Mallrat and welcome to OCM Hobbies. So in this video we will be unboxing this RelaxTime Hololive Kanata figure. So let's get to it. Yep, I did buy it at essentially 800 pesos, or this probably retails now for I don't know how much. So yep, got it for steal. Anyway, so this is the Bandai Namco Banpresto Hololive Amane Kanata RelaxTime. So let's check it out. I haven't opened this yet. I'm not really a fan of Kanata. In Gen 4, I'm a Toa guy essentially. Who are 4? It's Coco. Yeah, I'm a Toa guy. Yeah. But anyway, saw this. I do love my Hololive RelaxTime, so I decided to get it, and well, I got it for cheap. So let's go. Let's check it out. So I have not opened this, so this is gonna be a new experience for me. Just be careful with the box. Okay. Okay. Whoop. Am I damaging the box? Not that it's really that important, but you know me. I don't like to damage boxes. Okay, so let's see Kanata. She's being cute. She has a hoodie on with bunny ears, and her star thing on her head is right there. Let's see. She never really struck me as a sexy type to get a RelaxTime. You know, I like that you know the typical holes to get a RelaxTime. Ohio, Marine, you know, but the Chammers, but Kanata, really? But since let's see if she's being sexy or cute. So first, that's it. Oops. But that, let's see. And nothing else in the box. Nothing else in the box. There's a hard frame. That's kind of new. RelaxTime. See there. Our wings are there. At least it's cute. It looks like it's another single piece RelaxTime. I've been seeing a lot of these lately. So some of the RelaxTimes have separate heads, separate bodies, but lately I guess Bandai has been simplifying things. Yeah, it's a single piece. Single piece. Plastic. I need to cut it open. Oh, she's so cute. Look at her. Okay, let's put the plastic here. Put that in the box there. So there you go. It's a single piece PVC figurine of Kanata right there. She's wearing a zipper hoodie with bunny ears. Her signature star icon is attached to one of the ears. That's her wings. Oh, that's cute. Look, her wing things. Let's see if you can't see if she's wearing panties or not. Okay, because it's a onesie. It's a onesie because there are sleeves and then sleeves. Yeah, I see her feet. There, you guys would like some Kanata feet? Right there. There you go. Hey, well, there you go, guys. That was the Bandai Namco Banpresto Hololive Amane Kanata RelaxTime figure. Hey, she'll find her way on my shelf beside my other Hololive RelaxTimes. It's very simple, straightforward. I guess if she's a cute addition to the collection. There you go. Anyway, if you guys like what you saw, you know what to do. Like, share the video, subscribe to the channel maybe. Remember, this is the OCM Hobbies channel. Reminder that the main channel is the OC Mallrat channel on YouTube, where all the adventures and events and sales are. And this is the Hobbies channel. Anyway, see you guys in my other OCM Hobbies and OC Mallrat videos. Mallrat out. OC Mallrat out. Hey, you made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat out. She looks weird right beside the sexy girls, won't she? Well, I guess she could fit beside Suisse. Yeah.